This is Problem Solved.
Just a quick note before we begin. This video is not a tutorial. If you wish to learn the CFOP method, please click here.
Let's get going with the first scramble. We're going to be doing yellow cross. So here's what I'm seeing. I have these two that are already lined up and they're matched up with their opposite colors. This one's ready to come down in one swoop and it's matched up with its opposite, and this one can come along nicely. I have this pair waiting to happen, and so I'm going to make my cross like that and do it down to. Then I'm going to get this into a 3-move insert and put it in. Next pair I see is this one, and insert it like that. Then I'm going to go with this pair, followed by this pair. Then OLL and a PLL. Okay, number 2. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go with blue this time. Yep. Okay, so I've got this one right here that's going to bring this one down to match up. And then I have this white. This is going to come over, up, and insert. Now I've got this block back here, and here's the edge for it. So I'm going to use keyhole to put that edge into place, so that when I match this over, I have an X cross. Next is this pair, and I'm seeing this one, which breaks up nicely to go back here. And since I haven't seen the corner that goes with this edge yet, and I know that this one isn't it, I know that the corner has to be here, so I'm going to watch and see what pair gets formed when I pull this up. I have this one, and I'm going to do a fun insert for that. Now I've got an OLL and a PLL. Okay, number 3. Okay, so we got a couple of cool things here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a green cross. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those edges. What I'm going to start by doing is doing a front and a back to put these two next to each other. I need to get this edge into place. I'm going to do that while doing the red. So I'm going to put that down. Then the yellow can cycle around back and put that down. First pair are these two. Second pair are these two, followed by these two, and these two. Then OLA, and an F perm. Okay, number 4. We're going to go with yellow this time. I just want to check one last thing. Okay, so I already have this yellow-orange that's opposite, this blue-yellow that's ready to come down and be opposite, and this green that can turn over and be opposite right away. Then this yellow-red is already on top of its matching piece. So I'm going to put this blue down, followed by the green, then a down 2 and a back 2. I have this pair right here. I'm going to do a big down wide to leave this one. And I noticed that I inserted this corner, and so actually no, so I'm going to go ahead and insert that. Then I'm going to use this empty corner to keyhole this last one in, and I'm going to do this last pair. OLL and Z prime. Okay, and then last one. So I'm noticing this block here and this edge. I have this yellow-blue that's opposite the white, and this will come over nicely. Going to then mismatch these two. But before I do so, I'm going to insert that in so I can create the X cross over here. This is the first pair I see. And I have noticed that this one's also 3 move insert, but doing that would mess up this one. So I'm going to first do that, and then reset that one so I can go from there. This pair, I'm going to do a fancy insert that I like a little bit better. ULL and KLL. And there you go.
Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and leave a comment of what you would have done for each solve, and then share it with a friend so that we can all learn better together.